Okay, so this video is over Precalculus Chapter 5, Lesson 5, Examples 5 and 6. And we're talking about the laws of logarithms. So just a reminder of that we have the product law of logarithms, that if we have the log of a product, v times w, that's equal to the log of v plus the log of w, or if it's a natural log, then the natural log of VW is equal to the natural log of V plus the natural log of W. Then we have the quotient property, which says if we're dividing, so we have the log of V divided by W, that's equal to log of V minus the log of W. And the natural log works the same way. Then the other one we're going to look at is the power law, which says if we have the log of some number to a power, we can bring that power to the front. So here we have the log of v raised to the power of k. That k could come to the front and be k log of v. And we're going to use those properties in simplifying some expressions. So here's example 5. So here in this example, it says natural log of 3x plus 4 natural log of x minus the natural log of 3xy. So when we simplify this, we have the addition going on here between the natural log of 3x and 4 natural log of x. And where that addition is means that we need to multiply. So we'll have the natural log of 3x plus, I'm going to rewrite this, the natural log of x to the 4th. So we need to move any coefficients to the exponent first. Move them to the exponent like we used the power rule to move 4 up for the natural log of x to the 4th. Now we're going to use the product rule and make this natural log of 3x times x to the 4th. All right, so we'll simplify that part first, and we'll save the subtraction part for a moment. And now the subtraction here means that we're going to divide. So we have the natural log of, when we simplify this, we get 3x to the 5th divided by 3xy. Now notice I only wrote the natural log once. I did not write natural log over natural log. It's just the natural log one time. And then I can simplify this, and we can cancel out the 3's, cancel out 1x, so we have the natural log of x to the 4th over y. And that would be our final answer there. Okay, so now let's go ahead and look at example 6. This is a similar type of problem, but with a little more difficulty to it. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're going to simplify these expressions. So we have the natural log square root of x over x. So we'll write that as x to the 1/2 power over x plus, and we're going to get rid of the radical here, so we'll make it the natural log of ex squared to the 1/4 power. So we're going to simplify them a little bit first before we actually put them together. So we can simplify the first one. So we get natural log of, and that would be x to the 1/2 minus x to the 1st would be x to the negative 1/2 power plus, now we can bring the 1/4 to the front here, and then write it as natural log of ex squared. So this takes quite a few steps, but we're going to get there eventually. All right, so now we can bring the negative 1/2, we can bring that to the front here, make it negative 1/2, natural log of x, there's that power rule again, plus 1/4. We have the natural log of e, and since there's a product here, we're going to add them and make this a natural log. Oops, we got to keep the 1/4. So we have plus 1/4 and natural log of x squared. Okay, now we are going to bring the 2 in the x squared part. We're going to move that to the front also. So we're going to continue to rewrite everything we got here. So you got negative 1/2 natural log of x plus 1/4 natural log of e plus, now when we bring the 2 to the front, we multiply 2 times 1/4, we're going to get 1/2 natural log of x. This actually then helps us, and it works out pretty well, because now we have negative 1/2 here, positive 1/2 natural log of x there, so those equal 0. And if you remember, the natural log of e is just equal to 1, so this answer is just going to be 1/4. And then we have simplified that expression too. So it's amazing how some of these go from looking so difficult, like this one does to start with, to a final answer of just 1/4.